My name is Joe Delgado. I am the operations manager here at Dalinghaus Construction. My day-to-day is to come down to the shop early in the morning, make sure all the crews have the right material to get the job done completely per day. Well, if we do come across major problems, first, we go out there to kind of see what the problem is and try to have a solution for them and make sure we have the right solution to give them so we don't have any more major problems like in the near future. My most fulfilling part would be is making sure everything is run smoothly out in the field. And the reason being is because I want customers to feel confident and comfortable with our company as well. And not just our company, but the crews that are there working on their homes. Well, for me, I started off as a foreman here. So as a foreman, what the experience was trust that, that they gave me to work on their homes, make sure their homes was secure. And for operation part, I want to say just that communication with them. Make sure they're happy with each of the crews, make sure they're happy with the work that was done by each crew. I am married to a beautiful wife, Christina. I have 3 beautiful children, Andrea, Joseph, and Christopher. Well, on my off days, I like to coach my little guy in baseball, and that's pretty much what I like doing. Be there as a parent, also be as a coach, make sure the kids are following the right things when it comes to sports, or just, sometimes just go out to batting cages or go camping and stuff like that. Watch football games, with my boys. That's pretty much what I like to do for fun. Well, any fun facts about me would be that I'm just like a lovable guy, I guess. I love to be around people, like to have a good time with family and friends, like to barbecue. Pretty much that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any issues with any settlement at your homes, please call us at Dalinghaus Construction.